All right, cool. Coolio. Let's go ahead and get into it. Market is uptrending. Market is bullish right now. Let's go ahead. Boom. You already know how my tablet likes to act with me, bro. All right, cool. So at some point, market's going to have to pull back and create some type of structure, right? It's not always going to fly up in a straight line. It's just not how it works, right? So as market pulls back just a bit, we got to go ahead and just wait for market structure to do its thing. So all we have right now is higher high and higher low, right? We need to go ahead and break out of this high to continue trend. So what we have to do as levels traders is we have to focus on the rally breakout, right? If we know this is our higher high, we have to wait for this high to get broken, right? So let's go ahead. Momentum's on our side again. One more time. Boom. We get a rally breakout. Awesome. So right now, all we have is higher high, higher low, higher high, right? Keep it simple. Now that we've gotten our rally breakout, our BOS, and levels is going to help you with this. It's going to go ahead and give you a blue line with a blue arrow. Where my arrows at? With the blue arrow. Awesome. So what do we have to do as traders? We have to, one, identify the rally breakout. Boom. We did that. Now we have to follow that rally back down to the last selling candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, right here. This last selling candle is going to be our starting point. Why is that our starting point? Because that's the last selling candle that drove market in its bullish momentum. Does that make sense, guys? You guys can give me a 1. You guys can unmute. You guys, does that make sense, guys? Yes. Cool. So
Yeah,
we have to go ahead. Awesome, bro. Identify your starting point. We know that the low will always be our stop loss, guys. Find the lowest wick in that area, and that's going to be your stop. Right. So what are we doing right now, guys? As the market is up here, what are we doing right now? Oops. You guys want to take a guess? What do you think we're doing as the market is up here? Are we in trades right now?
No.
Chasing. He's chasing. No, we're not chasing, bro. Don't be saying no bad habits. Nah, he's just messing.
we're sitting on our
blind.
hands.
We're sitting on our hands. Thank you. I don't know who said that, but thank you. Notice how we have this zone. So we should have an alert right here. I'm going to change this line to orange because that's what the old alerts used to look like on TradingView. Boom, that's my alert, right? So we're just waiting. We know that we're looking for buys in this area. So as market starts to pull back, all we have to do is just wait patiently, guys. Market's going to come in due time. In due time, market will come, right? It might not come super fast, might build some structure, and that's okay, right? Staying patient is the best thing that we can do right now, right? Market's not always going to look pretty. It may consolidate, may go back and forth, and that is okay, right? That is okay. Let's actually get rid of some of these. Get rid of some of these. Okay, cool. So, boom. Market hit our alert. So what are we doing now? We should already be at our computer. We should be focused on some charts. We should be looking at our phone. Whatever you guys use to look at charts, you guys should already be, right there. It already hit our alert. So let's just go ahead, remove that. And again, we're still waiting. It hasn't even hit our zone yet, right? But we're gonna stay ready. Stay ready. So the thing is, guys, when market wants to go ahead and take off and then make that U-turn and come back, it may take a while, but when it makes that U-turn and come back, guys, we should be eyeballing this area as your swing TP. Why? Let me just break it down real quick, right? If market is bullish, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Let's say this drawing right here is this setup, right? If we're looking for buys in this area, we're looking to continue trend. Does that make sense? We're looking to continue trend, right? So this main area will be our swing TP, right? We are going to have some zones in between that to partial out and things like that. But that's going to be our main swing, right? Again, the market's not always going to do what you want it to do when you want it. So let's just say it plays around right near your zone, and that's okay. It is what it is, right? It is what it is. Let's go ahead and see if we can do this with one try. Oh, you already know how my tablet likes to act with me, bro. All right, never mind. Let's go ahead. Market's dropping. Market's dropping. Boom. Market just touched our zone, right? What are we doing now, guys? Once market has entered our buy zone, are we selling? We're buying. It's like, we're following Chen. Market's right in our zone. We're looking to take some buy opportunities. Cool. So at this point, we could be in a test trade here, right? We don't always have to put all our eggs in one basket just because the setup looks nice and juicy. You know what I'm saying? So we can go ahead and take a test trade there. Cool. Now, in order to look for another move, for extra confirmation, I like to use the value box. So let's just say this right here is our swing low, right? Levels will also help you out, and it'll give you an arrow. It'll say, yo, this right here is your swing. Pay attention to this swing. Now, the value box is always going to be, always, and it doesn't matter the color of the candle, it'll always be the candle directly to the left of the swing high, or the swing low. I'm sorry, swing high or low. It'll always be the candle directly to the left. Does that make sense, guys? Cool. So we should already have this zone marked up, right? Even if this thing hits stop loss, boom, hey, it is what it is. It happens, right? It is what it is. So if this thing does hit stop loss, we have to ask ourselves, did the market break and close below this starting point, violating the whole setup? Or was it just trying to get into your pockets? It was just trying to get into your pockets. See if you over leverage, right? Now, it is what it is. If the market hits your stop loss, we can't do nothing about that. But what we can do is look for some more setups in order for confirmations, right? So as market is doing its thing, come on, let's go, baby. Market is doing its thing. Boom, we break above our value box. Let's go. We're on profit because Powerhouse really do this, baby. Let's go, right? So as price just broke above our value box and our test trade is in profit, what we can do is, let's actually pull up. I want to pull up the gun. What we can do is, box up this last selling candle right here, which is our value box. And what we're going to do is wait for that break and retest. As market comes back to retest, boom, we could be looking for a confirmation setup right here. Does that make sense, guys? All we're doing is we're waiting for market to go our way, break above that value box, retest it, and take off. Give me a 5 if that makes sense, guys. Does that make sense to everybody in here? Awesome. Cool.
Yeah, a lot of sense. Thank you.
Yep. Now, we're just going to focus on the setups in this example. And as we go into the live chart, we'll go ahead and look for extra areas for TPs and partial zones and stuff like that, right? Because I want the drawing to be clear. But easy money, baby. Yes, it's easy money, right? So again, we're looking for things to continue trend. We can delete that. We're already up. We're looking for things to continue trend. And yes, we just hit TP, baby, because Powerhouse really do this. Does this make sense, guys? If you guys are lost and confused, please give me a question mark. Please give me a question mark. Makes sense. Awesome. Are you guys ready for some examples? Let me know. If you guys need me to break it down one more time, makes sense. If you don't get it, just makes sense. All right, cool. Are we good? You guys ready for some examples? Cool. Let's go ahead and take a look. What chart do you guys want me to look at? But I say that, coach, and everybody's gonna go, Naz, gold.
Gold.
Look at, I told you. Everybody loves the toxicity. I love the toxic guys too, bro. I can't blame you. I ain't gonna lie. You gotta love the Latinas, bro. All right, cool. Let's get that out the way. She freezing on me, my bad. She's freezing. She's freezing. Let's see. Oh man, look at this one right here. This was today, actually. We could see, yeah. We can see market structure right here is pretty clean. Now I know most of you guys are looking for buys, right? But in my opinion, a lot of this right here is just straight up consolidation. My tablet is lagging, guys. If it kicks me out, don't go nowhere. I'll be right back. But in my eyes, this is just consolidation, right? The trading view chart compared to the level chart is slightly different with market structure. But I'm waiting for this area right here. Now, and on levels, it looks like it touched, but on trading view, it hasn't. And actually on trading view, there's liquidity chilling right here. Right below that. What's up?
Why are you looking for buys in that area specifically?
This is a sell zone right here.
Oh, sell zone. Oh, okay.
Yeah, and I'm liking that just based off the market structure we have. We get consolidation right here, right? We go buy up, we change character. Now, notice how we do have a starting point right here, right? Notice how that was filled. And honestly, it just keeps hanging around right here. Now, on TradingView, these wicks are a little lower. Like there's actually a little gap between this sell zone and these wicks. It's kind of like that, right? So I kind of like this area for sells. Let's just go take a look at it real quick. I've been waiting patiently. I don't really trade gold like that, to be honest. So whenever I see a zone that's just chilling right there, I kind of just wait and let it play out. Let's go to the 4 hour. So you can see on levels, this wick here was super close, but on TradingView, we could see it's just chilling right here, right? So I wouldn't mind if news came up to take some of these people out to drop down, because if we're looking for buys, honestly, I'm favoriting this spot down here, right? Because we do have the high. This would be the lower low. So I wouldn't mind this area or this area for some buy activity. Right now, again, you don't have to be the first one in. I know you guys see 3 possible zones: 1 zone, 2 zone, 3 zone. You're like, Vinny, yeah, too many zones to take buys off of, bro. Now, for me, I like to test trade first touches. I'm always willing to test trade and under leverage the first touch, right? But you don't always have to be the first one in. So when you see what you need to see, go ahead and do what you have to do to send the market back up. Now, this goes for every one of these zones. If market doesn't give a reaction off the zone, well, most likely it's not going to buy up off of it. Does that make sense? Does that make sense, guys? If market doesn't react off of it, well, then it's most likely not going to do what you think is going to happen. Because we have to watch market structure. As market structure goes down, creates lower lows and lower highs, where's my closest lower high to my buy zone? It's right here. So in order to get confirmation, we would have to break above it. Now, this zone may push up just enough to hit this area. Guys, what's in this area that's going to continue sales? An order block or a starting point. Notice how we do break below here, right? Which means there should be some type of breakout rally, which means there should be some type of starting point. So if market's going to be heading down to one of these areas, this starting point is going to have to, no ends, ifs, or buts, is going to have to get clapped. So we can go ahead and look for a new setup to take those buys. Does that make sense? Because if it doesn't, you know what it's going to do? Respect this starting point and then continue down. Right? So I'm willing to take a test trade here give me some momentum and break even, because if it does hit stop loss, I already know where it's going to go. So one of these zones. And now I'm doing the exact same thing over and over again. Market hits my zone. Now, where's my closest lower high? Right here. Now, what's also right here? A brand new starting point, right? Let's go ahead and change the color real quick. Make this red. There should be a brand new starting point right here in this area, which means, again, if I'm looking for buys, this selling starting point is going to have to get clapped so we can go ahead and look for another opportunity, right? That play, guys, goes for any one of these zones because I'm looking for some solid swing points, right? Solid swing setups. Does that make sense, guys? Now, I'm liking this buildup just because look at after we make this high, after we make this run with gold, we literally just start chilling. We just start chilling, bro. Chilling in this area. And we have a pretty decent sell zone right here. And in my opinion, this buy zone is pretty solid. We have a nice push up that leaves an imbalance for you smart money traders. We have a little inverted with the lowest starting point with liquidity being built up right here. That's not bad in my opinion. That is not bad. So just a heads up, right? Just a heads up. But let's drop down to the lower time frame real quick. Let's go back down to the hour. Right, so focusing on the market structure here. Let's just move this way. This is what I'm seeing. This is what I saw with gold this morning, right? Notice how we do break above, right? Oops. We do break above here. So a lot of you guys are looking for buys. A lot of you guys were looking for buys in this area at the shoulder, which it does give a move. It does what it's supposed to do, right? But what I just went over with you guys, where is my closest pullback to this zone? Right here, right? Market needs to break and close above that. Guys, did we just break and close below this zone right here? Let's see, where's my... Oh, it's right there. Is this not a breakout rally? Would this be considered a starting point right here? Sniped it. And this was this morning. This was literally this morning, 5 o'clock in the morning, right? So it definitely bought, but to the closest selling area. Now, again, it's Friday, right? Don't get me wrong. This could have been the move on a Tuesday or on a Wednesday. It possibly could have broken out of here, but it's right shoulder too. Yes, it's also a right shoulder too. So, I mean, the way you look at the market, guys, you just have to focus on that and take it, right? But look at this. When you could put a starting point and a shoulder together, consolidation. Consolidation. We take the high and we change character. So this right here is going to be a left shoulder snipe. Double confirmation with the starting point and with the left shoulder. And in my opinion, this was obviously the move of the day for gold. You know what I'm saying? Not too much off of it. But look, what are we doing now? We're literally just right back inside consolidation, chilling. What are we doing? Support, resistance, support. You know what I'm saying? So even though we did get a move for the day, we're still caught. We're still stuck inside these ranges, right? So definitely wait for something clear. You don't have to ever rush the toxic pairs. Gold, silver, oil, US 30, NAS. You never have to rush those. Wait, be patient. Because when you be patient, guys, it's gonna tell you a story. And honestly, you know when somebody's lying to you, right? You know when someone came from the club and they're like, bro, I just got this baddie, yada yada, and you're like, bro, this fool's capping. You know what I mean? Like this fool's capping. Same thing. You're gonna know when the market's gonna tell you something, right? So just wait for the confirmations, guys. With gold right here chilling, wait for a rally breakout. We already have a decent sell-off here, and we know what we want to do up here. And in my opinion, it's still just chilling, ranging, right? Literally bouncing off the same zones right here. Trendline liquidity. Trendline traders right here, chilling, right? But that's what I'm seeing with gold right now at the moment. I would just wait patiently. Wait patiently, guys. Okay? What's good, Kyle? What's good, bro? Are you late, bro? Are you just showing up to the party right now? Dang, bro. But that's gold. I would like to look at some silver. I sent this to coach. She said, I don't know, bro. You gotta fix up your zone, brother. No, I'm just kidding. Actually, I don't think I sent this to. I think it was gold that I sent. But check me out. This is what I'm looking at for silver. I did send this in, and bro, it missed my buy limit. Can you believe that? It missed my buy, bro. So this is what I'm looking at when it comes to silver. Now we have a big old mess, a big old mess, and it all starts down here. Let's just back up. Notice how market is trending down. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then as soon as we hit a specific zone, what happens? We break and close above, right? Now, when that happens for you smart money traders, we got an imbalance that I know you guys love to eat off of. And then with that, look at this, guys. We have a change of character, a rally breakout, which makes this last selling candle way down here my starting point, right? Now let's just go ahead and triple confirm this. We know that's my starting point. Let's go ahead and put a line out real quick. Where's my lowest? So we know that this candle right here is going to be my swing low, which means this green candle right here is going to be my value box. So we have a value box and a starting point right on top of each other. And then we have the left shoulder. Does that make sense, guys? We have the value box. We got the starting point right here, stacked up, and then we got a shoulder. So we barely missed on the levels entries, barely like that, barely, bro, that's barely missing. Like, coach, I have a question. When it's that close, are you considering that a missed opportunity? Like it was right there and maybe it missed your buy limit or something? Would you consider that a trade that already?
And this is silver on the daily. Use the measure the spreads,
Okay,
and that would have got you
I think it would have because silver is a little wide.
box to measure the bid and the ask and put that above.
Above. So that trade would be dusted now. It's over. Okay, cool. Good question. I love it. So, boom. This zone, solid. Solid, solid, solid. That's definitely, I mean, it doesn't hit the zone 100%, but guys, you got to understand, like, you were right. If you were waiting for here for a buy, bro, you were right on the daily, and you're up. Let me see. Let's just count the pips if it lets me. Oh, it's not going to do it. Let's go ahead. We'll pull out the handy dandy. Is that 500? 500 pips. 500 pips on the daily. And you're actually chilling in profit, I think like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, if not a month. Oh, yeah. 2 months right there, 62 days in profit. Now, I'm looking at this, right? Now, let's take a look, guys. This is where things start to get advanced, but it's okay because we have to do it. We have to advance, right? Guys, what is this right here? For those who have been on with Oren the past week or two, this would be phase one, right? Market drops down. This drop down. We're taking liquidity. Smart money, guys. You guys are taking liquidity right here. For levels, all this, my left shoulder. Now notice how we close above. Once we close above, that's phase three. Boom, we close above. Now, coach, I have another question. When it's a break and close just like that, not too massive, would you still consider that a comfortable change of character? Okay. Got you.
Right back inside. If you go to a higher time frame like the weekly, that's going to be a wick.
Wick. Okay. Got you. So now check me out, guys. I'm looking at this area right here, and I'm like, bro, this is a solid shoulder right here.
It's still a close above.
It's still a close above. Oh. Oh, yeah. Coach, when I asked Coach if this would still be a close above, yes, that's a change of character. If market gives it to you, trust that right there. Now, notice how we come back to that right shoulder and we get some momentum pushed off of it, right? Now that's perfect, guys. That is perfect. Let's drop down to the 4-hour. Now, I'm focused on this right here. Notice how we drop down, pull back, we hit this zone, and then we break above, right? Guys, what did I tell you at the beginning of the call? When market starts to make that U-turn, and they come back, like, bro, we're supposed to go to the club, and you forgot your boy. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, bro? You're supposed to pick me up. All right, bro. All right, bro, bet. I'm gonna go get you. Be ready. And then they come in for you, and you're like, oh, bro, I gotta use the restroom. Y'all have that friend, right? I gotta take a shit. Oh man, they the worst, bro. They the worst. They the worst. Right? Now look, guys, when the market takes off and they make that U-turn to come back for you, this right here would be a swing TP point. Now notice, guys, right here, it's literally building up liquidity. Touch, 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 drop. Now what's over here? Touch, touch, drop. Right? We have double tops for liquidity, and we're looking for some bullish momentum. So I'm liking that. I'm liking that. Now notice when we come right back here to this zone on the 1 hour, there's a cherry head and shoulder. So we're gonna go ahead and drop down. Right? We get a little bit of consolidation, 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 little wick action, and then we break above, retest, and we take off, leaving this starting point and shoulder. Guys, that's okay. One thing I've learned with Coach is when it takes off and you know you're looking for something right here, it's just a waiting game now. You got to just wait. Market's going to come back. When? You don't know, but you have to stay ready. Alerts ready, right? Alerts ready. Now, as it comes back, look at how it starts to break down. Let's delete some of this stuff. Notice how it starts to break down right in front of my zone, guys. Right? Maybe you had an alert right here. Maybe you had an alert right here. And you're like, oh, man, market hit my alert. Let's go ahead and hop in the computer. Guys, look at how it just starts to consolidate. Support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. We get that entry, and then we change character. We change character. Now, I'm waiting for this shoulder, and I'm waiting for this 1 hour. Oops, this is the 2 hour. No wonder why that head and shoulder looks a little funky. I'm waiting for this 1 hour starting point. Now, look at how it started to buy up, guys. Look at how it started to buy up. But before that, let's just take a look, right? A little quick breakdown. A little quick breakdown. We get shoulder, head, market changes character. Hey, you guys got to come back for me, bro. Stop messing around. I told you I wasn't going to use the restroom. Bet. They start to come. And like, all right, bro, we need to stop at the girl's house, bro. All right, bet. Now, the thing is, now, once they break and close above this, they ain't coming back for you. They going to the club with the shouties. They dipping. They're dipping. Now, the thing is, let them do what they got to do. Don't be all nosy. Don't be blocking your boys. Don't be blocking your girls. It's okay. Let market do what it do. And maybe if it doesn't break and close above, we still have potential to drop back lower to take it back up. That's what I'm looking for. It's okay if it buys up. It's okay. Look at this hour. Let's delete this real quick, just for the clarity. Look at the, let's drop down to the 30-minute hour, the 15-minute real quick. Guys, did we break below here? Is this a breakout rally? Guys, right here, would this be a starting point? It's just chilling right there. It's chilling. Let it do what it's supposed to do. It came back. Now it still has potential to come right back down. As long as this starting point gets respected, puts respect on his name, look at the structure Mark is giving you. If we break and close below this one, there's a good chance Mark is going to trickle down and hopefully give us a nice play. So we can go ahead and send that thing back up. I've been waiting on silver for like the past 3 weeks, yo. Honestly, it's just messing with my emotions. I'm just chilling. I'm waiting. Honestly, bro, this right here, it missed my limit both times. I was so hot, bro. So hot. So hot. But that right there, guys, is what I'm looking at for silver. That's what I'm looking at. Now, I'm even looking at this a little bit more. And we got some double top action right here, like just more liquidity being built. Right? So this isn't bad. If we can get this by, this right here would be a solid TP point, a nice partial point. Right? Take some money out of the trade, put it into your account, take some money out of your account and put it in your pockets. That's how we do it, guys. Catch a setup, take some partials, put your stop loss to break even, let the rest ride, look for a new setup. If you want to go ahead and take it all, take it all. I mean, you could be stingy with the shits, bro. This is your trading account. This is your pocket. If you want to take it all out and just look for another setup, by all means. By all means, right? Do what you got to do. But does that make sense, guys? If it makes sense, guys, you guys can give me a 1. You guys could unmute. I know it went a little advanced, but, we can't baby you guys forever. We cannot baby you guys forever.
Here's what I would tell everyone. I see a lot of notepads. I want to see how many of you can find a setup for next week. Oh man, everybody just went quiet. Oh man. Okay, maybe I gotta say it in Spanish. Okay. Right? So either you find it on your phone or you go to the laptop. But like I said, this right here, it's not going to be one of those spectator things where you sit back and watch Randy move the mouse back and forth. It's time for you guys to get in the field.
Time to get busy.
You ate already? How many? Did y'all eat good?
I have.
Make some noise. Y'all ate good, man.
Hey, thank you.
So you ate good. You fed your bellies. Now it's time to feed your bank.
Facts.
All right. So who's ready to get up on the screen, mark it up on your phone? If you ever get lost, go back to your notes. Your notes is going to take you to the market, take you to the money.
The thing about notes too, guys, is, since a kid, you're too cool to take notes. You're too cool to be the top student. You're with your homie right here. My motherfucker, you're taking notes? Who does that shit? Guys, in trading, bro, the person who takes the notes, that's the one who's popular. Why? Because they're getting breakthroughs. They have the answer to the test, literally. Bro, you can have the answer that I just gave you. Hop on charts tomorrow without any of us, and you will have a solid blueprint. So you take detailed notes, it's only a matter of time. If this is what you're gonna do to feed yourself and take the next step and get you out of the situation you're from, why wouldn't you guys want detailed notes?
How many of you ever went to school?
That makes sense? Like, why wouldn't you guys want detailed notes?
And you sat next to a nerd? Perfect. You probably made fun of that person.
Mm-hmm.
Probably made fun of. But guess what? That nerd who took notes, they building your Tesla right now.
Facts.
They the coolest ones right now.
Facts.
You see what I'm saying? And while they're pulling up in that smart car, you serving them. Yes, may I take your order? Hey, I remember you. You that nerd. Yeah, now I just built this place here that you're working at. So let's be a nerd on the charts. So who's ready? That's wireless.
Yeah, that's wireless.
Oh, you can pass it around then.
Cool.
Who's ready to go up and mark something up? Find any pair. You can use levels if you want. It's a cheat sheet.
I got one already.
What do you got? You want to mark it up on the tablet or you want to? AJ. All right, bet. Let's do it.
Clap it up real quick. Only female in here.
Not only
I'm crazy.
Not only is she the only female in here, guys, she's not even from California.
Wow.
She's from Texas. So let that sink in a little bit.
Don't let her come to your town and outshine. What?
She flew out here for proximity, guys. And she's taking advantage. It was AJ? 4 hour or 1 hour?
96,533. And there's also the starting point around that area that created the change of character.
No. This is what we're gonna do. This is what we're gonna do.
That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Scared?
No, I'm not. Okay.
Okay. That's how it's done, man. 'Cause at the end of the day, y'all can come here and watch this every single week and leave motivated. By the time you get home, you're back in reality. And once you get into that reality, that comfort zone, now you just wait for this to pop up again next week. All right, so there can't be a moment of silence. You gotta, if there's people on the other side of the Zoom, you
Yes,
gotta figure out what's going on.
My bad, guys.
Talk us through it.
We do have Giselle, who is marking up AJ for everybody.
Okay,
Right.
found it.
All right, cool.
All right, so is this my area? Yeah.
You want those up? They're right here. Going.
No, it's because I'm confused because it doesn't look like my phone. Okay, it's
This
right
one.
here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so-
it's this one right here. So I'm looking at this area right here.
There's an inverter.
Inverted, yeah. So you have your consolidation, which is your left shoulder, your break of structure, then consolidates again, gives us a change of character. And now you're just waiting for this to come back to this area and give you that buy.
First, let's count the pips from where the current market is all the way down to that 3 box.
Okay, so let's go here.
This one.
Yes. It seems like you're about to leave a lot of money on the table.
There you go. Okay, yeah, do that.
All right, so you guys.
This one, right?
Your setups.
Okay.
And there.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good.
Right there.
That's 86 pips.
So, do you see another zone in there before we get down to the bottom?
Continuation of
Mhm.
This one?
what levels help you.
This one.
Right in there.
So the starting point.
Yes.
Okay.
So tell me, what if the market breaks that level? How many pips away from that, the top pink box at the bottom?
Oh. From this one to this one?
Yep.
Yeah. Again.
Because number one, I don't want you to leave a lot of money on the table.
Okay.
just
So,
like- Okay? Perfect. So we're looking at about 30, almost 40 pips, right?
Yep.
Do you think you can pay a bill with 40 pips
Yes.
on the standard?
yes.
So what happens if the market failed to hold that level? What are you gonna do?
Look for the violation.
Perfect. So mark up the violation. I want to see your first buy opportunity, and then I want to see your violation. I want to see the what if.
So like if market closes below that starting point.
Show me the
Okay.
buy in that same area. So draw that zone coming down the current market.
Buy and sell.
Show me the buy
Okay.
and sell. So
So
the thing about trading, I want you to have options.
Bro, and when I talked to you guys about looking for thinking in what is it? I'm gonna tell you guys, Jose. We're on the focus group, we think in scenarios, probabilities, what could happen. We're looking for buys, but if market tends to disrespect, then we have to look for that way. You know, we have to think in scenarios.
No, use the
The line?
the lines to show me if it bounced off that pink box.
so
Yep.
comes
From
right
there,
here.
yep.
So wait for it to close below the starting point and then come back here.
Tell everybody on the Zoom what they're gonna do if it, there you go.
There, like that.
Perfect. Good job.
So you wait, yeah, okay, right. Got it.
What if the holds the, what if the holds the level?
Then it holds the level. Then you wait for it to, well, what he was just explaining right now, you could either test trade on the first touch when it comes in here and go in for the buy, or wait for it to come, close, Come-
Double click.
Okay.
Double click. Now grab another one. Perfect.
so wait for it to come and then go for the buy. Or what was your question again?
What if it violates?
What if it violates?
You can start from the bottom of the pink.
So
box.
leave that one there. Now, what if it violates now? What are you looking for now?
So like if it closes below the starting point, what I just explained, right?
Yeah, so tell the people on the Zoom.
Okay, so if it closes below, you're waiting for it to come, close below this starting point right here. And then come back here and then sell off.
See that? You just hosted your first Zoom call.
Anybody else got some setups they're looking at? Oh, we got some vets. We got some vets in here, honestly. So I think the vets are in here. Oh, they left. Yeah, we got Jalen who's a vet. We got Daniel who's a vet. Jose, you should be marking the charts. Chichi, let's go. Hop on something. Let's do something. All right, we have, first of all, give it up for just sound. We got the whole South Market agent. Now we have Richard. Richard, who's gonna mark up something for us? Double click.
Trust me when I tell you, baby.
Now you can.
It's consistently. The whole thing about trading is
pick
being
one.
consistent. You know, you can be a consistent loser when it comes to trading, or you can be a consistent winner. But you would never know if you don't apply this stuff.
This was my pick one. All right, cool.
Shout out to you, coach, for pushing.
Can I delete it?
All the
This
way
is right,
from
yep.
Dallas to Houston.
Yeah.
You didn't come home from Dallas just to be a spectator. You here to feel it.
Bear with us, guys. We're looking for the setup.
Yeah.
That was decent right there. Let's see.
Yeah, look how you navigate through this like butter. You know, the one thing I always teach is
It is.
in order to be a professional or to get good at this,
At the level, what are we talking about? What are you looking at right now? Head and shoulders. That's the left shoulder.
talk to the people on Zoom, let them know. It can't be a quiet zone.
All right. I know it's a little nerve wracking. It's a little different, but okay.
You know,
This red box is the left shoulder. The torch is right here. That's in the direction. That's a break and retest, so now I'm just waiting for it to come. From here to there for the sell. Yes, sir. The market looks like market's slightly downtrending in that area too, so that's not bad. Yes, sir. Not bad.
look, that he just walked away right now.
Let's go. Give it up to marking up EURNZD, giving us a shoulder on a 4-hour.
Front seat.
Pop up.
There you go.
All right, we got Tizzle next. What are you looking at? AED All right, bet. I got
Oh,
you.
he brought his own laptop with this one. He said, oh.
AED CAD. Give me a second. Give me a second, fam.
Ladies and gentlemen, when it comes to this right here, it should be fun. You should have fun doing this, especially y'all got something amazing here. How often you guys meet up here?
Tuesday.
Twice a week?
You can use this. All right, guys, we got Tizzle.
Hey, Tizzle.
Looks like we got AED CAD. He gonna find up something for us.
It's a 4 hour right here.
Let's you break it down. Talk to me, Tiz.
All right, so right here, I mean, if you don't see this, I don't know what to tell you. I mean, you keep studying. Look, all right. We got left shoulder, boom, break a structure, Change your
what's that right there
character.
for us? What's that break of structure for us? What is that considered for the head and shoulder?
That's the. What you mean? Where?
So if this is the left shoulder, what
Yeah.
does that make that?
That's a higher high.
Which is what?
That's the head. Well, yeah, the head, right? We change character. Boom, we got a starting point. Retest, and we already see a little reaction right here. But as well as right here, we catch the left shoulder as well. Right? But it's also in the zone for the starting point.
Look at take some shot.
Solid enough.
Solid, bro. That's what it's been to me. Good stuff, brother. Give it up for my boy Tizzle, giving us an AD pad sell-off under 4 hours. Let's go! Jalen, what's up with that UCAD, man? All right, we got EU. Give me a second. Let me go clear up the chart for my boy. Yeah, man. You've been bragging about it all day. All right, family. Get rid of the box. Yeah, we got Tizzle marking up EURUSD. Tizzle. Oh, I'm sorry. That's crazy. Earlier, bro.
Wow, that's crazy.
Now we got Jalen marking up EURUSD, guys.
All right, cool. Let me see what I was looking at. All right, guys. Second.
Okay.
See.
He's slicing up charts.
1 hour time frame. Get down here. All right, cool. So right here, what I was looking at was for some buys. I seen that there was a shoulder right here. So we were downtrending. We got that change of character, higher high, higher lows. I mean lower lows, lower highs. It did break out right here. Our shoulder was right here. This is what the shoulder I was looking at. It came down for the head, and then it just started consolidating right here. It did break above this. So the rally breakout was right here at this point. But if it does end up coming down, I'm looking for buys right here to end up continuing up to the top. Right. This consolidation got swiped out right here. So yeah, that's what I was looking at. Let me see. Right now I do see that it's playing off of this zone right here. So if it does break below this, then we can see buys right here. But until then, it's just consolidating right now. But that's what I was looking at for Euro USD.
Good stuff. Yo, I ain't even gonna cap, guys. I can't just leave it for the Cali squad to mark up charts. Does anybody want to share screen and mark up a chart? I know we got some hitters in here. We got Caesar. I saw
They should have came out.
they're from Texas, but you're right. I saw Neri on the call. Does anybody want to hop on and mark up some charts? Acosta, bro, you've been marking up charts every day now. Stop, bro. We got Acosta on the call too. Acosta, bro.
I've been this talk for a long time.
All right. Well, Acosta, you're not even gonna answer me, bro. You're gonna do it. All right. You're a student tonight, Neri? That's true. Tap in every Saturday. Neri gonna get you right with the back testing calls. She's a student today. Acosta, bro, you're hiding right now, bro.
Oh, yo.
All right, but I'm gonna make you host, bro. That way you can go ahead and mark up some charts for us. All we need is one, but break it down for us, bro. You know what you're doing.
Let's go.
Let's go, Acosta, my boy.
Let's go, bro.
How do I do this? Share screen.
Okay. Got that Miami tan.
What? Hold on, here we go.
Hey, playing charts.
You can see my screen?
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. So obviously we're looking at CAD JPY. We're on the 4 hour. Got a starting point right here. I actually just did it right now. So I'm waiting for something like this. Oh, and then bring it right back up.
No,
Costa, are you sure, bro?
that was too easy, man.
You gotta do
Too
another
easy?
one, bro.
Too easy?
gotta-
All right, cool. No doubt.
Wonder saw that.
Cool.
Hey,
What's gonna happen when we
Costa
done this one?
was coach.
Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna bam. There we go. That's the same. That's the same thing, huh?
We with you, bro. We with you.
You with me? All right, cool. So
They're laughing at coach's ringtone. We good.
we got a 4-hour starting point right here. So I'm gonna mark this up right fast. Mark up my zone.
Yes, sir.
And we just waiting for this to pull back right into the area right here. Make a decision. Pull the trigger and take it right back up.
Let's go, baby.
That's
Hey,
it.
snaps there, coach. Hey, the last two months, coach, the Costa been going off, bro. He's been going off.
Go ahead.
Past month and a half, dude's been snapping.
I don't even.
What? Oh, well, mine.
That's good. That's good stuff for Costa. You want to do one more, bro? 'Cause, I mean, you're hot right now, bro.
Fuck it. Let's do it.
Let's do it, bro.
Oh, he in the zone now.
He's snapping.
I don't know. Give me a pair. Whatever.
Woo!
Give me a
Let's
pair.
go. Let's go. Let's
UJ,
do-
UJ. Let's go, UJ.
UJ, let's do UJ.
Wait. It's the weekend.
Crypto.
It's,
Oh, Bitcoin. That true.
XRP. XRP.
XRP.
it's the weekend.
Let him cook.
Oh,
Oh, snap. I see one.
ready, man.
That
Ooh.
one right here. Let me see
It
something.
looked like that one was taken. Oh, snap. Go back to the 4-hour.
See, I like to start up on the daily.
Okay.
I mean,
Kind of look at it, see where it's going. All right. I'm using my training wheels, y'all. I got my breakout finder here, so
Are you good, bro?
yeah,
I
I'm
see.
seeing this starting point right here on the 4 hours. Mark this up.
Right there, right?
That looks like it was taken though. Was there any other buy opportunities?
All right. So then the lower one
Oh,
right here. We got
let's
another
go,
one right
baby.
here. Got another one right there. Same thing. We just wait for pullbacks. All
This
up
is
in
this is
here.
on trading you, Miguel. Big. This is on trading you, bro. You're good at Costa.
Yes, something like that.
I see it, bro. Do you
Something
see
like
any
that.
sell opportunities?
Sell opportunities. Yep. We got another one
Where?
right here.
Let's
Right
go, baby.
Sell
Hey,
opportunity here.
bro, is that double confirmation right there, bro?
Yeah.
I know you see the starting point, right? But do you see anything else that can give us double confirmation?
This right here,
What is that called?
the Valley Bucks.
Okay, that the highest it will be the swing high, right?
Uh-huh.
So it'll always be the candle directly to the
left.
left. Yeah,
This
so
one
that
right here.
big one, that'll be
It's
your
the
value
value
box.
box.
Yes. So we have a starting point of value box. Do you see your third confirmation anywhere, bro?
My third confirmation, the left shoulder.
Let's go. Let's go, baby. Are you gonna over leverage on this setup?
Nah, hell no.
He said, hell no, coach.
You go get my money. Mm-mm. No more.
That's good, bro.
If this
Nope.
hit, I'm from Miami.
Coach said if that hits, bro, he gonna visit you, bro.
Going Miami.
He's gonna visit
Alright,
you in
no doubt.
Miami.
No doubt, no doubt, come through.
Let's go. I need to see that you can. No, you
I-
marked up something on you.
I know it's 9 guys, but we're gonna keep rolling. We got Jose rolling up with another setup. Can you make me a host, Acosta? Click on my go to participants,
Drive.
click on my name and make me host.
Earthquake happened. Like, man.
Right?
Go to participants, click on my name, and then it should give you a make a host button.
Oh snap! Where's that at? Participants. Where's? Oh, okay, I see it. My bad.
Bet. Now you're good.
Make close. There we go. My bad.
No, we're good, bro. All right, let's go ahead. Let me share the screen for my boy. Bet. Give me a second. Let me just clear it up real quick for him.
Jeez.
Oh my goodness. Come on, bro. All right. All right, fam. We got Jose breaking down USD CAD. Let's get it.
So I actually found this setup on the daily real quick for the buy up. So I basically saw a break of structure happening right here on the daily time frame. So I already knew that this was going to be my shoulder setup right there. So then mark this up, right? Keep it clean right there. And then in case it violated right there, I got to the 4-hour time frame. And then I have my starting point right here on the bottom. So I was looking at that. Yeah, oh yeah. So got that right there. So in case I caught this entry today in the morning. That's what I was showing coach today. And then obviously my chill. And then my TP was gonna be right there. So as soon as it gets to this, that's my next starting point. So I'm looking for a rejection zone right there because technically we have a bigger sell area around here or around here on top. But yeah,
Oh, man.
that's what I caught.
I'm good, bro. Those keep playing. How long did it take you to find that sound? Like about 30 minutes, 15 minutes.
Does anybody
All right,
want to
so
mark
we're
it?
gonna do Check this out. We'll do a lightning round. Quick, we're gonna time so we can find the setup the fastest. There you go, Chris.
All right, guys, hold on. Coach, we're gonna do a lightning round. Everybody should participate. We got like 30 plus on the call. As time is ticking, everybody should be looking for a setup. How fast can you guys find your setup? Simple, right?
Well, the people on the call, they're gonna be spectators.
Okay. Never mind. Y'all spectators on the call. My bad. Y'all just
For
watching.
everybody that's here, because this is gonna let you guys know, for those who on the call, when we have masterminds like this, show up. Because the people that's here are gonna show up.
Yes, sir.
All right, so, who wanna go first? Perfect. Well, I'm telling you. You pick the pick. You pick the pick.
I have to have a CHF.
That's the thing. Let me know when you're ready. 3, 2.
Hold on, coach. Wait. Where's the place over?
Oh, hold on. Click on it.
On this?
Yeah, click on it.
Oh, you want that peso.
It's been paid.
Okay, and go. Time is starting. And when you find it, say time.
Done. Took me a little bit longer, but
You done?
You're looking for a possible setup, not a setup that already happened.
Oh, possible?
Yeah, I'm talking about possible setup.
It took me a little bit longer today. Let's see. Possible.
Now we're gonna put a twist on it. Talk to the people on the Zoom. Tell them what you're doing.
I'm looking for a cell setup, a potential.
Anytime.
So here, the head. So just gotta wait for the change of character to come back, and then go back up.
And
Done.
we need something that's already 75%. Because we don't know if that's
75% happens when we get a change of character.
Mhm.
So right now, what confirmations do we have? You're looking for the sell or the buy, but what confirmations do we have?
y'all thought it was easier.
So did we
Put a twist on it now.
what confirmations do we have? Did we break structure anywhere?
And there's a reason for this challenge. I tell you guys.
Dang. All right,
There's a reason for this challenge.
I'm looking for a setup. I thought it was gonna be easier than what I thought.
Mhm.
Came in too confident. Humbled me real quick. Yeah, you see. That put me on the spot right now. There's a starting point right here. That was
You almost. And how many of you looking at the screen saying to yourself, I see something? While the person is marking up, I want you to see if you see something that he's overlooking. Yeah. It's already 2 minutes in.
yeah, I'm already overlooking the chart.
There's a reason why I created this channel. Because anything over 5 minutes,
Played out in here.
check this out. Anything over 5 minutes, you have no idea what you're
What
looking for.
confirmations do we have right there?
Seriously.
There you look. Let's go. Do we have by confirmation?
Okay. If this timer is still going past 5
We
minutes,
should have sell
you have
confirmations.
no idea. All right, so switch chairs
Oh, right there.
or switch time frame.
That was a setup right there.
That was your setup right there.
Yeah, I overlooked it when I first came in.
You see, when time is on the line, when you time yourself, who's in the car? Remember? The first rule. All right, so it's about 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Not bad. Anything over 5 minutes, you don't know what you're looking for. So you want to try to say under 5 minutes.
Yeah.
The first rule when it comes to
Yes, sir, bro.
the science of getting rich is don't do what? Don't compete. You create. Because we put time, what mode did he go into? Competition mode. So when you compete, what are you doing? You get sloppy. You start focusing on, I gotta beat this time, and you're not creating the setup. So rule number one, the science of getting rich is don't compete, create. Okay, so that was 2 minutes and 55 seconds.
Who wants to go next?
Who wants to go? Let me try one. All right, let's see if I can. Set the timer. What's going on, team? All right, perfect,
You can click on that. You can just click and then type it whenever you want.
perfect.
Those are all my pairs that I have. In
I
if you wanna
see.
look up something, they can just click on it.
Boom, I see. Okay. All right, perfect. I'll just go with that. All right, all right, all right. Let me just delete this all. Mm-hmm. Okay, perfect. I set my timer. Stopwatch. 3, 2, 1, and go. Boom. Right. Done. 24 seconds. Oh, that's okay. But it's Bitcoin on the daily time, the stop loss should have been in there. If not, you just pray. So now think about this. Check this out, ladies and gentlemen. Why did I mark that up, find my zone, and then call it done? Here's the reason why. That was the left shoulder. Y'all see where the left shoulder is at? Where I started the pink box? Yeah. The head is above. We got to change the character to the downside. We violated the right shoulder, right? Boom. I put my zone there, and I'm waiting for that market to come back to that area. Boom. I didn't switch time frames. If it hit, it hit. If it don't come back, it is what it is. My job is to get in and get out.
Yes, sir.
My job is not to sit there and play with it. You got to get in there and do what you have to do and get out fast. But most people want to do what they want to overthink it. They want their charts. Well, it's going to look like this. I got to put some pretty flowers on it. And by the time you do that, you miss the trade. 100%. Get in and get out. Another challenge is time yourself, right? When you time yourself, mark up 10 buys and 10 sells. Put them on a demo account. See how many hit. I had a 15-year-old do that last week. And out of the 10 that he did, I think 7 hit. Nice. He's 15.
Nice.
So if he can do it, you guys can do it too.
Really 100%. 100%.
So that's your homework. Your homework is just time yourself. Put a stopwatch.
Oh, snap, coach. BOS?
Boom.
Rally breakout?
Boom. What's that, 4 hours? Look at that.
Oh, wait. Starting point?
It's starting.
Oh, snap. Double confirmation.
Boom.
Double confirmation.
Let that thing pull back and you make a decision. And then show them if they're scared. You know those people that's scared?
Got you.
When that market comes back to the zone, what do you do if you're scared? Go to church?
One, you take a test trade. If we're already looking at buys in this area, guys, it's okay to drop a 0.01 and just let the market do what it do. Right? Now let's go ahead and draw out our value box real quick. And then we can go ahead and end the night like that, because I know it's late for some of you guys in Texas. But let's go ahead. Double click. Boom. Market's coming back down to my zone. Awesome. Awesome. We need a little slight pullback. Give me something. Let's say we get a pullback right here. Boom. Nice green candle. Pulled back. Market drops. Puts me in my setup. Okay. Right? I know just based off this, guys, consolidation, left shoulder, head, we need this change of character, right? Sure. Let's go ahead and look for something. Now, we test traded this area, 0.01. It is what it is. You're a little scared. It happens. I've been there, right? Now, once we break it and close above with that change of character, look for your next setup. Look for your next setup. In here, we have the swing low, which is this one right here. Boom. Which means this candle to the left of the swing low should be the value box, right? So once market breaks and closes above that, we can go ahead and look for that break and retest and shift the market back up. Too easy. Too easy. Right? Does that make sense, guys? Give me a 5 if that makes sense. Does that make sense, fam? Let's go, guys. Let's go. Guys, this was a super fire call. I mean, coaches, drills, those are dope, man. It gets everybody better. It gets everybody better. Gets your hands dirty, gets you on a chart, gets you working, which honestly, we should all be doing. You know what I'm saying? We should all be doing this. That's why every call, I always preach to get your hands dirty, practice, back test, hit me up if you need you have questions, you need answers. I got you, right? But guys, practice this stuff. Look at the charts, back test, get your hands dirty. If you have a little bit of trouble, if you need help, hit me up, hit up the chats. We got you. We're going to take care of you, right? But with that being said, guys, tomorrow, Cali got an event with Oren. Press is going to come down, break down the Monday range. I'm gonna do what it do with a little bit of sauce, and then Oren's gonna go ahead and blow everybody's minds how he usually does it, right? But if you're in Cali, man, or if you have anybody in Cali, send them to my crib, bro. Hit me up. Tell them to DM me. We're gonna get them right. We're gonna get them right. But with that being said, guys, you guys have a great weekend, a blessed weekend. Get your practice in, and I will see you guys on Monday. You guys have a great weekend.